Welcome to my cooking channel. Today, we're into a flavorful journey with a traditional Filipino dish that's sure to tantalize your taste buds, chicken halang halang, also known as spicy chicken with coconut milk. This dish is a beloved recipe in the Visayas of the Philippines, and I'm excited to go share how you can make it at home. Let's prepare our ingredients. These are the ingredients we will need, and you can see the complete list of the ingredients in the description box below. Using the sharp knife, cut the chicken into pieces. Each slice the thighs becomes expression of culinary craftsmanship, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. Let's embrace this task not just a preparation, but as a homage to the meals that unite and delight us. Start by heating cooking oil in the pan over medium heat. Once hot, add the garlic and onion. Sauté them until translucent. Add sliced ginger. Continue sautéed until aromatic and slightly golden brown. Next, add the chicken pieces to the pan. Stir well and cook until they are lightly browned on all sides. Let's add salt and ground pepper to make our chicken meat more tasty. Stir occasionally to mix the salt and pepper to the chicken. Add a stalk of lemongrass. It adds lemony and to enhance the taste of soup couriers and teas with its bright citrus notes. Add chicken broth cubes. It adds more flavorful to our dish. Add sliced chayote. Its gives water content can help our dish moist, especially when used in stew or soups dish that were cooked today. Let's just cover to soften the sayote a little. Let's add oyster sauce. It's add more flavor to our dish. Now, it's time to spice things up. Add the sliced bell pepper and bird-eye chili long chopped. That gives hot spicy to our dish. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure the chicken is well coated with the spices. It's time to pour the coconut milk to the pan. This ingredient gives creaminess to our dish. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the chicken is tender. Once the chicken is cooked and the sauce has thickened, season with salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. There you have it, a mouth-watering chicken halang halang, or known as spicy chicken with coconut milk, ready to impress at any meal. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell icon for more delicious recipe. Enjoy your meal. Until next time.